Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a useful feature in Carbon Browser on mobile. If you have ever struggled with zooming on certain websites, this video will show you how to force enable zoom easily. First, open the Carbon Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Tap on Accessibility to open the options available. Then, locate the Force Enable Zoom option in the list. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on Force Enable Zoom. Once enabled, you can pinch to zoom on any website, even if the site normally restricts zooming. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.